Today, I kind of wanted to flip the script. So much as realtors will put out properties and little advertisements of properties that are coming to the market or we just sold or that sort of thing. But very rarely do we put out information about what our buyers are looking for. So today, I wanted to update you, especially because what I'm looking for may not be on the market. I have an incredible buyer, and she's looking for a relatively new townhome. And by relatively new, it might even be ideal that it's never been lived in. So I'm looking for a townhome in the price point between $500,000 and $800,000 in Durham, a 2 to 3 bedroom, and specifically, it would be great if it was in the pre-construction phase and being built so she can move in within the next 3 months, 6 months, pushing it a year. Beyond that, it could be either pre-construction or an assignment sale. So if you know anyone or you are an individual holding an assignment and you're kind of thinking about selling, I would love to talk to you.